Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's New York visit has been a matter of debate in political circles for weeks now. And he readies to leave for the United States for a 5-day visit. The focus is likely to be on bolstering ties between the two nations and giving a push to cooperation in nuclear and defense fields.
The other important engagement is going to be with the United States of America, where one clear demand from India is going to be temporary extradition of Tahawur Rana and Headley.
Prime Minister's visit coming on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly and a possible meeting with Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, which so far has met with resistance back at home.
The Pakistan's policy towards India is not going to be any different. What are the discussions about? So the first corrective measure has to be do the right thing first.
Some political parties even stressing on the need for talks between India and Pakistan.
After all, we are a matured nation and Pakistan is our neighbor, and we should engage ourselves in a meaningful dialogue.
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh starts his US tour today. There are going to be two very important bilateral engagements. One, despite all the pressure back home not to talk to Pakistan because of the lack of commitment on 26/11 and terror, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is likely to meet Nawaz Sharif on the sidelines of the UNGA on the morning of the 29th.
Days ahead of Prime Minister's visit, Times now accessed a secret note that revealed government's plan to bypass the atomic body in a bid to clear the hurdles for a multi-million-dollar nuclear deal with America, which will be discussed during this visit.
We had made promises, not just promises. We have an international commitment with the United States of America, like we have international commitments with Russia and with France.
The attack on a Sikh professor in Upper Manhattan, reflecting an increasing intolerance for the other race, might also come up in the high-level meet. Will the Prime Minister take up the pressing issues at home, or will he pander to the United States? With Geeta in New Delhi, Poonam Burde for Times Now.